Hi guys! Joy morning! Today is Friday, 6th of February. Kakabangon ko lang guys, medyo late ng konti. Pero day off ko naman today. Si Kent naman pumasok sa school. Magbe-breakfast na ako. But first, let me take my beauty capsules for beauty and wellness. Ito guys, 1 capsule each. Let's eat breakfast guys. I have here cranberry blueberry bagel. Nilagyan ko siya ng cream cheese. Yung plain lang guys yung nilalagay ko. This one. And then I also have here aloe vera yogurt. And for my coffee, drip coffee, for my creamer, I have here 3 flavored creamers. Coffee mate siya guys. So I have here vanilla caramel, hazelnut, and French vanilla. Today, I'm gonna try this French vanilla. Ito na-try ko na to yung dalawang flavors na to, but this one's gonna be my first time. And grabe guys, this smells really good. And I hope this also tastes good. Sige, try na natin tong French vanilla. Zero sugar to guys, lahat itong creamers na to. Well, out of curiosity, gusto ko lang talaga matry lahat. Yung hazelnut and vanilla caramel, ang sarap niya. I think, okay, let me add some more. Dahil sa kaartihan ko, ganyan talaga guys, pag maarte ka. Diba? Lahat ng flavor na Coffee Mate creamer. O diba? Actually, meron pa atang iba kasi ito lang yung available. Pag meron pa, tatry ko din. Coffee na tayo. Mild taste. Masarap. Hindi siya matamis. That's good. Alam niyo ba guys, ako yung first son na hindi talaga ako makapag-start ng day ko without having breakfast. And, ewan ko ba, nasanay na talaga siguro ako ng heavy breakfast. Well, matakaw ako eh. Aminado naman ako na matakaw ako. And I'm a foodie person talaga. Mahilig ako kumain. Kain guys! Sarap. Medyo madami din akong gagawin today guys dito sa bahay. Magva-vacuum ako, do the laundry, and then mag-unbox ako guys ng mga items, ng mga anek-anek para dito sa bahay. Check nyo yung next video ko. Kasi gusto ko i-share guys yung mga items na ang cute. And kapag gusto ninyong i-order, I'm gonna share to you the links. Okay? So see you sa next video. For now, breakfast muna tayo guys. Have a nice Friday, everyone!